Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about seller concessions or seller credits. With our tough loans that we do at Gustan Cho, I recommend you get them, and this is how they work. So if you're doing a conventional loan, the most you can ask for is 3 points, or 3 percentage points of the purchase price. If you're doing FHA, the most you can ask for is 6. If you're doing VA, the most you can ask for is 4. If you do jumbo, the most you can ask for is 2 percentage points. So now if you do an FHA loan, the purchase price is $200,000, and your closing cost and your discount points only cost $10,000. You cannot ask for 6 points. That's $12,000. So that's an extra $2,000 over the closing costs that actually exist. So you have to reduce your closing cost credit to 5% if that were the case. You cannot give closing cost credits towards the down payment or cash back to the buyer for any reason. So the closing cost credit has to match the closing cost to the T if it's too much. So if it's too little, it's okay. It doesn't have to match. So if it's only 1% closing cost credit and there's $20,000 in closing costs, that's okay. But if you can't give extra. So keep that in mind. So if there's not enough closing cost to credit, then you have to reduce the closing cost credit. Now, lately we've been doing a lot of tough loans, and these loans are costing discount points. For the first time in my industry, I've seen this, that I'm charging 2 or 3 points for people with 580 credit scores. And not because I'm making that money, it's because the banks that we're sending them to, our investors, are charging those points. So for you to get that loan, we have to charge you a 2-point discount. Now, if you look at the guidelines, you're not allowed to charge someone too much money for like an FHA loan. So how we're getting around that is we're asking the sellers and the realtors really to get an addendum or to put on the contract that the first 2 points are going towards discount points specifically, and the other, let's say 4 points, is going towards closing costs and prepaids. That's how we get around, by not violating the RESPA laws or the whatever rules they are, to get the person to be charged these points. So that's how the banks want us to do it. So if you are being charged points, we have to get that directly credited from the seller's contract or addendum directly to those discount points. And that's kind of how discount points work and seller credits work right now. If you got any questions, call me anytime at 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. It helps me help you.